Hi everyone, now I will show you how to solve the simultaneous equations using OPAMP 741. Today we will solve these simultaneous equations shown here. Here we written the simplified form for x and y values to verify the final output. Now we will put these equations in circuit. For it we need two inverting OPAMP S summing amplifier. We have to put the first equation in the first OPAMP and second equation in the second OPAMP. In the first equation, x is the output. We have x as output in first op-amp upper left corner. Now, two input terminals we need. There are two inputs added in the first equations. The first input is 12 by 5. There is positive sign before 12 by 5. We will give minus 12 by 5 or minus 2.4 volt. And sign will change as it's inverting op-amp. Now this amplifier give the ratio of resistors in output in multiplication with input voltage. In first equation there is nothing multiplied to first input 12 by 5, so ratio will be 1 and R1 is equal to R2. And for second input the ratio is R2 by R3 is equal to 8 by 5. So we used R2 is equal to 8 by 5, 8 kilo ohm, and R3 is equal to 5 kilo ohm resistor values. Similarly, as we have done for the first equation using the summing amplifier, we can do the same for the second equation using the summing amplifier U3 here. And here we have connected 2 volt that is 8 by 4 to the first input of summing amplifier and minus x to the second, and R7 is equal to R6 here, and R7 upon R2 value is 10 by 4. To convert x to minus x, we have used one unity gain inverting in upper right, which provides the same voltage level as the input but with the opposite polarity. So x will change to minus x, and this output we have connected to the input of op-amp U3 second summing amplifier, which is used for second equation. This is the circuit wiring for solving the simultaneous equation using 741 IC. After connecting to the power supplies and multimeters, here we can see the x value and y value in the display. They are approx 1.178 and 0.827 respectively.